Hello everybody and welcome to today's crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 30th of September 2022. Before we get started with today's episode, just wanted to update yourselves on a few things. I've just recorded and released today's Trading Talk episode, Robust Models, so you'll see myself in there presenting today and discussing how important it is to have a robust trading system. Whilst I was on the topic, I thought I'd just highlight with relevance to crypto, episode 247, in fact episode 243 to 247, so there's around 4 or 5 episodes there were done by my colleague Charles, and he did a great job at building an entire crypto trading system for Bitcoin. It gets quite large in the end. This is the final episode, but he shows basically inside this episode how it can go and be traded and the sort of trades that it can take. And Charles actually has been trading this system live himself, so that's inside Trading Talk episodes. You can be able to access those via our website. Moving on to today's crypto brief, you can see markets are pretty flat compared to where we were at yesterday. The only market on the move really has been Ripple. As you can see, really strong daily bar yesterday. It's having its own movement, which is completely irrelevant to the rest of markets at the moment. Quite interesting. Whereas Litecoin, as you can see, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all range trading right now. Bitcoin trying to have a go at that 19,500, 19,600 area which we've been discussing, and again failing yesterday and again failing so far today, just tipping in the red here as we head into around midday in Europe. Looking at Ethereum, we're currently at 1340, pretty much the same as we were yesterday. You can see inside bar on the daily. You've also got a doji bar. Maybe we can discuss how to build doji bars. There's a Trading Talk episode on how to build doji bars actually. And yeah, I mean, it's the same story from yesterday. Break lower, 1280, break higher through to 1550. There's not too much more I can say on that topic. Bitcoin, meanwhile, can we get through to the 50-day moving average, or are we going to continue that range trend below the 19,600 area? The bears are going to be really adamant to keep us below there to close the week, well, to close the traditional financial markets week. I know cryptos do trade over the weekend, of course. Nothing else to add from my end. Pretty much it. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Till next time, all the best of your trading and bye for now.